Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Yeah. So this video will be a behind the scenes of what you're gonna see tomorrow. So yeah, let's just hop right into it, I guess. Yeah, oh yeah, this is gonna be behind the scenes and maybe bloopers. So let's go into it. Alright then, time to turn on this game. Is that good? Is that good? Or like should I do something else? Yeah, now it's time to should I do that or like should I just I really don't know. Should I do like should I be like, alright, now it's time to turn on this game or something. Alright, now it's time to play on my PS4. Or how about alright, let's get ready. You know? I really don't know. This is a life and like behind the scenes of like a YouTuber, I guess. A small YouTuber, I guess. I really don't know. Alright, time to go turn on this game real quick. Alright. Oh my gosh, I accidentally turned. Are you kidding? I accidentally turned it on. I'm that much of a bot, bruh. Oh my god. See, this is why it's a behind the scenes and stuff, so you won't see this while it's on my main channel. This is why it's going on my second channel. So yeah, we're gonna redo the shoot again and we're gonna make sure it goes perfectly good. At least I hope. I don't know. I might change the camera angle too. So yeah. Alright, time to turn on this game. Wait, what? Why is it not turning on? Hello? Why is it not turning on? But I do not know. Why is it not turning on? And don't roast me about me wearing the same t-shirt. Because I'm posting this the same day that I just posted that other video that y'all saw on my main channel. To go subscribe to this second channel. So don't make fun of me for wearing this. You can. I really don't care. I can't be bothered to do this. So yeah. But okay, I'm gonna try this again. But why is it not turning blue? But I'm literally touching it. It's not turning blue. But I do not know what to do. Okay, I think I might need to get a new PS4 because for some reason it's not turning on. I'm gonna try to see it again, but then if not, I'm gonna get a new one. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm holding it down. Bruh, what is going on? I do not get this. Hey bro, just stop trying, bro. Just stop. You're not gonna play on this. You're never gonna play on this ever again. Just stop trying it, bro. Just stop. Hold up. What? My PS4 can talk now? My controller can talk. Now my PS4 can talk. Bro, I do not get this. I seriously do not get this at all. Yeah, you thought we couldn't hear or talk? Yeah. Wow. Wow, you don't even deserve to play on this. Try it again. Try it again. See what's gonna happen. It's not gonna work. I bet. I'm gonna try this again. And then if it don't work, I guess I won't play, I guess. Alright, I'm doing this again. And let's see. This is why I'm calling it a behind the scenes. Because my sister was talking. So, yeah, this is why it's behind the scenes. So, yeah, we're going to try this again. And hopefully my sister doesn't talk over it. Okay. Alright, I'm going to try this one more time. Putting down a lot of force. And, no. Bruh. You know what? I'm done with the video, okay? Play my outro. Alright, that's gonna be the end of that video, which you're gonna see tomorrow. And it's gonna be the end of this video, which you're gonna see today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Gaming Gray, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my main channel. And yeah, don't forget to like, and share. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. So, yay.